Hi everyone, this is Miss Stover, and I'm going to show you how to access and navigate our Canvas page for 7-1 Science. So when you're on the intranet homepage from Merrimack Middle School, you're going to click Canvas. It should bring you to your dashboard where you'll see 7-1 Science. So you're going to click that, and then you'll come to our homepage. On our homepage, you can find links to your group. There's the Zoom link for if you want to join a Zoom meeting. And you can click here to quickly access my contact information. Below that is the unit resources. This will be where I'll post PowerPoints and other resources to help you through the unit. There's the link to the remote attendance. You can click here to get information for the Zoom, like the password and meeting code ID. You can see my office hours, my email, my school phone number, and quick links to all these different sections on Canvas. We scroll back up to the top. You can also navigate through Canvas on this way, but your main mode of navigating Canvas will be to come down here. If you're hybrid, you're either Group A or Group B. If you're remote, you're either Group C or Group D. So you're going to click whatever group you're part of. For this example, I'm going to use Group A. So I'm going to click Group A. Then it's going to bring me to this calendar setup. We have the days of the week, and then what you will do for that day. So it shows that I have office hours from 8:35 a.m. to 9:15 a.m. where you can join me on Zoom. Your assignments for the day on Thursday, November 12th, is there's a multiple intelligence survey, and you're going to complete some information on fields in life science. So you're going to click whatever assignment you're going to do, and it'll bring you to the assignment. For this one, it's going to have you complete this module. You're going to read a section, have a quick post a response in the discussion, and then take a quick quiz. And you can always go home by going up here and clicking the home button. And that is how the basic way of navigating our Canvas site. We'll go a little bit more into it during class.